Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a headphone is JBL, and this headphone JBL is power button is damaged. You can see it's not working. So now I will open and replace the power button. So how can I replace this? First you have to remove this, and then here is the 4 screw. You have to remove that 4 screw with a star screwdriver. So I remove this 3 screw here. Okay guys, so after I remove this 3 screw, I open this case, and here is our port is power socket. So this one is broken. So guys, I can change from this to here. Okay, so if you have not same model, so you can replace. So here is also one screw. I remove that one screw and I remove that body part. So you can disconnect the microphone cable. So guys, I have to remove this LED and remove this connection, and here is some connection for the speaker. So guys, this port I don't have same model, so I can take this, the middle one I put here, and this one I replace here. So for this I need a hot air. So I have already the hot air, and I put some medicine, some paste to the button, and I heat from the downside. Okay, medium heat, is not very high heat. Replacing this one. Okay guys, now I have to connect this power button and check it's working. See, it's working perfectly. So I replace from this port to here, and this one I return back here. So now I return back all this connection and check it's working perfectly. Okay, now I return back this port here, and before return back this microphone cable have to. Okay, here is one screw, and now I will return back the microphone cable here. This one minus, this one plus. So minus is black color, and plus for red color, and here is for speaker connection. This plus, this one minus. So ground is golden color is minus, R minus is right, and this one red for plus, R plus. There you can see the signal is R plus, R minus. So almost done. I return back this, and then you have to see this, for they have one hole. And have to return back this for indicator for light. Okay, now I will return back all this screw. So now almost all is done. And now I return back this plastic. It's little bit hard to return, so I have to return back this slowly. Okay, now it's ready, our Bluetooth. You can see it's working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon for next video notification. If your JBL headphone is broken, you can fix it at home or you can bring with any technician. So thank you guys, have a nice day.